Alyssa KK, this is the view you're gonna see it. Sorry about that's rude, but you know, this is house in the wood. So you have bed for two, and when you open your curtain, you see tree. All right, there you go. And then you have shelf, you have hanger, you have air cooler, TV, and everything else that's convenient. Hope to see you in this clean house. We clean every day according to the rule of the hygiene at your door. And you're gonna see your pool. Wow, that's awesome, isn't it? Extra awesome. You want to height? You can height right there. Alyssa KK.